Each cuddle and hold was so worth this pain of mine. You'll always be in our hearts. We'll always love you, just like the first day that we met you. You are our family, and I know one day we'll meet again. One day we'll meet again. We'll meet again. Vlada, Irina, Luca, and Lazar. All feel that they have a big piece missing in their hearts. It's a sad day, but we know that love will always prevail. And every time that we miss you, we can stand up and sing this song. You'll always be in our hearts. We'll always love you, just like the first day that we met you. You are our family, and I know one day we'll meet again. One day we'll meet again. We'll meet again. We'll always love you. We'll always love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Woo!
Happy birthday, Aswang! Dahil ano mismo, mag-isira ulo pa lalo?
O, tagay mo, tagay mo, tagay! Ito lang plato.
Natutuwa ako naalala pa niyo ako.
Tagay, tatay!
Dahil ano mismo, mag-isira ulo lalo? Ganun talaga na yun.
Yun, mabait na nga eh.
Ay, mabait na ba?
Ikaw lang daw sira ulo, di ba, tay?
Uminom.
Tara, yun tayo.
Hindi na.
Ay, natagal talaga yun. No, maano sa dito yung kaya ko pinagbago ba nun? Ay, sorry.
Hindi naman naging nakaisip kumain.
Putak na naman.
Nakakapo mo.
Sino naisip dyan?
Kami, nanak. Siyempre, kami, lahat.
Hatiin na yan, si tatay.
Tayo ikaw mag-slice.
Tay, ikaw na mag-hiwa para matikman ko hiwa mo.
Tangin na muna tayo.
Ayaw niyo to.
Alawin na raw.
Ay, putak na naman. Alawin niya na.
Batik pa na.
Makakahal na. Wait lang, may exam ako eh. Ano ka yung exam? Ano ka, babagsak ako. Ito talaga yung zone 2 eh. Okay.
Ayusin niyo na to.
Nakain na tayo.
Nakakasubo ako sa tigat.
Anong ilaw? Ito, ilaw oh.
Mag-birthday mo eh. Tagpukan namin itong birthday na to.
Kami nga! Bakit ba? Ngayon tayo. Ay,
Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, tatay. Mamaya, Luis mo, tatay. Long candle, Luis.
Iipan ko.
Yes! Siyempre!
Mag-wish ka muna.
Maraming salamat po, Panginoon.
Okay! Hipan
Ang
mo!
pinagkalab niyo sa akin na magandang regalo sa akin ng mga apo ko at ng aking anak. Sila. Marami pong salamat. Amen.
Yay! Nakakanuan! Itapat mo yung mic! Sa buhay!
Sa'yo ay aking natagpuan. Kaya't iyong paniwala na langit ng minamahal. Ikaw ang ligaya ko at yan lahat sa buhay ko. Sarili ko